Hello, folks, and I hope you're all doing good, especially in the season of layoffs. So, one thing among layoffs we know for sure is that the best way to survive is by becoming what is called a mythical 1% developer. Now, they are mythical creatures, but they exist. And in this article, we will try to understand how to become really a 1% developer. So, how to be the top 1% developers by James Fogg. 99% of developers will stay average unless you do as I say. So we have our Giga Chat, and this is how we can become a Giga Chat developer. So as a developer, you have to know that learning never ends. Yeah, we all know that. So we have 20, 30, 40, 100 different things to learn, and it never ends. However, 99% of people learn in secret and just observe. They take in information without sharing any of their own. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Definitely. That's okay, but we are talking about being in the top 1%. So yeah, you cannot do that, what 99% are doing. So what you need to do is to develop a habit of producing learning byproducts. So write blogs, tutorials, and quick guides. Yeah, I do this thing. Not too many blogs, but tutorials I make in my channel. And quick guides is like, the bullet points, like what you need to do, like we have here, something like this. And speak at local gatherings and conferences. I don't do this too much, maybe only a little bit, but I don't recall any. And ask and answer questions on Stack Overflow or Reddit. I also mostly don't do this thing. Stay away from closed platforms like Slack and Discord. They are not public. And I remember I just opened my Discord server. So should I close it? What should I do? And create YouTube videos or Twitch streams. Yeah, I create YouTube videos. And start a newsletter, draw cartoons. Yeah, I don't do this as of now. And whatever you enjoy, create the resource you wish you had you were learning. Don't measure your success by claps or tweets or stars or upvotes. Just communicate with your past self from 3 months ago. Yeah, that's definitely true. But I don't think any of this really helps, right? Because it is more like content creation rather than learning technical stuff. So regarding content creation, what I should be doing is create more tutorials, although that doesn't get that much views, but yeah, I should keep on doing that. Don't stop there. Enjoy a coding video, contact the speaker slash teacher and thank them and ask questions. Yeah. This is a very good thing, I would say. You should definitely contact whoever is teaching, especially if they have lower amount of followers. So they will definitely reach out to you. So for example, if you are watching my tutorials and if you want to reach out to me, you can definitely can, because it's not like many people is reaching out to me. So I will definitely reach out to you. And contribute to libraries you use. So basically do open source contributions, but don't do readme contributions. That is something you should keep in mind. And create your own libraries that no one yeah, definitely you can create your own libraries. I'm not sure even if you will ever use it or not, because I have created one or two libraries, but I never use them. I use whatever is there in the market. And recreate things you like from scratch to understand how they work. Yeah, this is fun. For example, we have WhatsApp clone, this clone, that clone, whatever clone. These are not really actual projects. These are like simply copy pasta. And teach workshops, attend conferences, and summarize what you have learned. I mean, this is very similar to creating tutorials. Creating tutorials helps. It did for me. Like many of the concepts that I am teaching, actually, what I initially struggled to learn, now it's much better. But does it really make you 1% developer? I am doubtful. If you are tired of creating one-time things, start building a lasting knowledge base that grows over time. Share your knowledge. Record what you did and the problems you solved. The subtitle under this rule should be do your best to be correct, but don't worry when you are wrong over and over. Yeah. So basically, you can do some wrong code because it's a pain when you are coding and something goes wrong. You have to re-record the whole thing. So content creation is a pain. So yeah, I'm sure this guy knows it. So that's why they're saying it. If you feel out of place like a fraud, good. You are challenging yourself. Don't assume you know everything, but give your best shot anyway, and let the internet correct you when you are inevitably wrong. So yeah, it's never wrong getting corrected by your followers. So that's what I suppose the intention is. Be proud of your beginner status, similar to being a kid. Soon that innocence will fade away. People think you are not good. Good, you agree, and ask them to explain in detail why you are not good. Do what you want to just feel good, or you want to be good. No arguments, no hard feelings. Then go away and prove them wrong. Okay, so I believe this is more like a motivational article. It's not a step by step guide. But yeah, sometimes we need motivation to want to need more motivation later. Did I mention that teaching is the best way to learn? Talk while you code. It can be stressful. I haven't done it all that much, but my best technical interview have been where I ended up talking like I teach instead of desperately trying to prove myself. At some point you will get some support behind you, like people notice genuine learners, they will want to help you. Don't tell them, but they just become your mentors. This is very important. Pick up what they put down. At some point, people will start asking you for help because all the content you put out, 99% of developers are dark. They don't write or speak or participate in public tech discourse, but you do. You must be an expert, right? But don't tell them you are not. Answer best as you can, and when you are stuck, I mean, just ask your mentors when you are stuck. That's what. And eventually, you will run out of mentors and just solve things on your own. You are still putting out content though. You see how this works. Learn in public. Eventually, they will want to pay you for your help too a lot more than you think. Welcome to top 1%. So, learn in public is what they are saying. So, yeah, build in public, learn in public. Yeah, I have even done a lot of that. But what I would say, frankly, is that it makes you the 1% visible developers. I'm doubtful if it's really the 1% developers by skill. It's more like the 1% visible developers. To become the top 1% developers by skill, I believe you should ditch everything and you should only code, code, and code. That's the only way to do that. But if you want to be visible, and which is also important, I believe, then this is the way. That's what I feel. So yeah, that's it for this, folks. And become this, because this is the only thing that is recession proof, layoff proof, depression proof, whatever proof, everything proof. So that's it for this, folks. And if you want to discuss more things about tech and other things with me, I have a Discord server. I will keep the link in the description below. So see you there, and I will see you next time.